Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in this DSC WS4945 wireless door contact. The tools we'll need for the job is one small to medium sized flathead screwdriver and a CR2 battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate one of these four notches on the sides of the sensor. We're then going to take our screwdriver, put it into one of these notches, and rotate it as if we're trying to unscrew a screw. This is going to slightly pop open the cover. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once we've done that, the cover should pop open like this, and we can remove the back cover. Here we'll locate the battery. We can then take out the battery and replace it with a new one, with the negative on this end and the positive on this end. Now this battery might be a little bit difficult to put in sometimes, so I find it's always easier to put it in almost perfectly flat and then pushing towards the negative side to fold in that tab and then pressing it down into place. Once we're sure that the battery is secured, all we're going to do is we're going to locate the little notch on the side of the sensor. There's going to be a same notch on the side of the back plate. So as we can see, the side with the notch, side with no notch. Once we've lined up the side with the notch and everything sits flush, we're going to press in together and it's going to click shut. Once we inspect that there's no gaps, our job here is done. And that's it.